Hey drawers, in this video I'm going to show you how to use soft pastel on copy paper. This is a visual journal exercise. Materials that you'll need: tissue paper. If you don't have tissue paper, use toilet paper. You'll need brushes, blending stump, Q-tips, and your fingers for blending, and of course your pack of pastel. A few weeks back, I gave you guys a handout with a bunch of color schemes. You'll need to figure out which color scheme you're going to be using for this exercise. For me, I'm going to be using analogous colors, okay? The yellow, orange, the reds. I'll even use the white and the black for the highlight and for my dark shadows. Once again, remember the white can be mixed with the color to create a tint, and then the black to create a shade. So I start out by finding my lightest area on my reference photo with my white pastel. That's going to be my highlight. Any tint or any lighter shade that I can see, I might want to drop a little white there as well. Once my lightest value has been established, I'm going to go and get my next color. I'm going to drop that color in according to my black and white photo. What I'm doing right now is a technique Mr. Pataconi teaches his painters, okay? All I'm doing right now is I'm blocking my colors. I'm not worried about mixing those colors together. All I'm trying to do is separate my different values, my different shades. You'll also notice that by using the pastel, you'll get some powder and some dust all over the place. Don't blow it around. Just tap it on to the floor, or else if you're near a garbage can, tap it in there. As you can see, even though my shirt is white, I'm giving it a little color by just pushing all those colors through, making it a little darker. Another tip for you guys when you're working on your drawing is that when you get to the hair, color in the direction of the hair, okay? So if your hair is moving outward away from the face, that's kind of like the direction you want to be going. If you don't do that, you'll kind of lose the illusion or the flow of the hair. Once again, the technique I'm using right now, I'm just blocking in my colors. Right now, everything looks a little choppy. Once my blocking of the color is done, then I'll go in and use all my other blending tools. As you can see from this demo, because my paper doesn't have much texture, when I used my brush to blend, everything kind of just got wiped off. So instead, I'll be using the Q-tip and my fingertips to blend. When you're blending your colors, start out with your lightest color and then go and work towards the darker color. If you do it in reverse, you'll end up dragging a lot of those darker colors onto your lighter colors. which might make it a little too muddy. The nice thing about pastels is that if you make a mistake, you can go back in and erase it. Also, if you start losing some of your colors as you're mixing and blending, just continue building the colors on top. One thing Mr. Pataconi and I always teach our students is that when you're using colors, just don't use black by itself. Mix black with a different color to give it a little more temperature. So as you can see in my demo here, black is mixed with my red. That creates my darkest shade and also gives me this warm feel to it. Eyelashes, strands of hair, any subtle details like that you can't get with these large pastel sticks. I have pastel pencils that we can drop in towards the very end to get the details out. Alright, so don't worry about that. Now, if I was to do his jacket in this picture, it would be a combination of the red mixed with the black. So the techniques that you're seeing right now, this is what I would like for you to do on your big drawing. And there you have it, my analogous color scheme, my pastel on my copy paper. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing your work.